just pulling into the Xtreme Clean Car Wash here in Traverse City, Michigan, and we're going to give one of their 2 automatic bays a try. We got quite the lineup here. This looks like a popular place. Okay, so they have a 6, 8, 10, and a 12. We'll of course go for the 12. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pay here.
Our VIP club. Welcome to our car wash. Please select an option from the list on the screen. Please select an option by pressing. Please select a car wash. Please select an upgrade. Or, if you do not want an upgrade, press no upgrade. Please insert cash or card. Please wait. The wash is busy at this time.
Okay, let's head on into this Mark VII ChoiceWash XT. Okay, and we'll let the wash begin. By the way, this is the touch-free cycle. Looks like we're starting with pre-soak. Very nice coverage. Looks like this is an empty pass. Looks like it's applying another pass pre-soak. Or maybe not. I'm not sure what this is. Here's triple foam. Looks like we're starting the high pressure cycle now. Another high pressure pass, much quicker this time though. Looks like this is the Rain-X. I'm not sure what that is. Maybe a clear coat protectant? I didn't exactly read what I got with the top wash, so I'm not quite sure what I'm supposed to get. Well, I guess that last one was our spot-free rinse, because it's time to go. Let's head through the dryers, and our tires shine here at the end. We got our tire shine on the floor there. Dryers seem to do a decent job. Well, there you go. I hope y'all enjoyed. I'm giving this wash a 5 out of 5 in quality. Overall, the wash did a very nice job, and the car came out looking very nice once it was complete. I'm giving this wash a 4 out of 5 in value. $12 seems to be a bit expensive for what you get, and it does seem to be a little bit higher price compared to other washes in the area. I'm also giving this wash a 5 out of 5 in overall experience. Overall, the wash was in very nice condition, and all of the signage and payment system was clearly legible. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to tune in next time for more car wash reviews.